Hi everyone, this is Satanas with LegalTrek showing you our new field for clients called Industry. As you can see, I'm in the list of clients. To demonstrate this, I'm going to pick a client and I'm going to edit the client. When the client is not a person but a company, you have the option to set an industry for this client. This is a new field and the values in this drop down are defined by you, the user. So I'm going to select that this is food or energy company, let's say, and I'm going to save this. When I add an industry for my client, it gets saved. When I add a new client, I can add an industry for them as well. I can change the settings of what industries to be added from the application customization settings. Number 10, client industry types. I can add types, delete types, and I can be as detailed or as general as I want. So I can go transport, for instance, I can go services, or I can be even more specific. In addition to being able to edit and create new clients with the industry field inside, of course, there would be a column industry here for the client, which now I'm going to enable, and I'm going to put it somewhere. So let's say I want to see the client name and then industry, apply this. Some of the clients that are old, of course, would not have this set. Those who do, great. And last but not least, the clients can be also filtered by their industry as well. And this is about it. Thank you for watching, and here is also a quick filter for you. And enjoy the new field